Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called relevant cost. Relevant cost is a managerial accounting term that describes avoidable costs that are incurred only when making specific business decisions. The concept of relevant cost is used to eliminate unnecessary data that could complicate the decision-making process. As an example, relevant cost is used to determine whether to sell or keep a business unit. The opposite of relevant cost is a sunk cost, which has already been incurred regardless of the outcome of the current decision. Assume, for example, a passenger rushes up to the ticket counter to purchase a ticket for a flight that is leaving in 25 minutes. The airline needs to consider the relevant cost to make a decision about the ticket price. Almost all the costs related to adding the extra passenger have already been incurred, including the plane fuel, airport gate fees, and the salary and benefits for the entire plane's crew. Because these costs have already been incurred, they are known as sunk cost or irrelevant cost. The only additional cost is the labor to load the passenger's luggage and any food that is served mid-flight. So the airline bases the last-minute ticket pricing decision on just a few small costs. Types of relevant cost decisions: continue operating versus closing business units. So this is one way to do. A big decision for a manager is whether to close a business unit or continue to operate it, and relevant costs are the basis for the decision. Assume, for example, a chain of retail sporting goods stores is considering closing a group of stores catering to the outdoor sports market. The relevant costs are the costs that can be eliminated due to closure as well as revenue lost when the stores are closed. If the cost to be eliminated are greater than the relevant cost, the outdoor store should be closed. Hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. Bye.